Disney to lose special... Oh, I saw this. Special tax status.
Yeah.
For opposing Don't Say Gay bill. Governor Ron DeSantis is set to sign bill revoking 1967 law allowing Disney to self-govern a roughly 25,000-acre Orlando area. I guess that's where Disney World is.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
And self-govern means...
They have like their own district.
No rules. We make the rules.
Can make
we
the
are.
rules.
This is the country of Disney.
Exactly. It's
They're
very
like-
interesting. I never knew this.
They're like Vatican City in Rome.
Mm-hmm.
What is that? The smallest country in the world or something crazy like that? It's like one little area. They got their own rules. Shout out TS. Florida legislators passed a bill on Thursday that would revoke Walt Disney Company's special tax status. The bill now heads to the desk of Governor Ron DeSantis, who is all but guaranteed to sign it. They voted 70 to 38 to do away with the special tax district created by that law in 1967. And a surprise move, he asked lawmakers to consider the legislation during a special session he called this week. If Disney wants to pick a fight, they chose the wrong guy. That's what he says.
Wow.
That's aggressive.
Sounds like you, Mo.
Yeah. He
Sounds
means
like
business.
Sounds like
this guy.
Mike Tyson on a plane.
Yeah.
That's him. That structure makes Disney one of the state's largest private employers and other landowners responsible for providing services such as firefighting, power, water, and roads. Wow. In turn, they get relief from taxes and fees. It is their own city outside of the control of the state.
Mm-hmm.
That's an interesting setup. It's going to cost the government in Orange County and Escola counties, and therefore the taxpayers, billions of dollars. I'm talking an additional tax burden that's estimated $2,200 to $2,800 per family. Well, so now, but they're paying so much more in tax now, Disney. So the government is going to be collecting a lot more. I guess they'd have to find a way to redistribute it or something. It is odd, these type of deals.
Yeah.
No tax. They're like, let us handle the road stuff.
Yeah.
We do it a lot cheaper than you do.
Very, very bizarre.
It's an odd setup. And how big is it? 25, what did they say? 25,000 acres.
Ooh, wow.
That's how big their
I can't
operations
even really
are over there.
wrap my head around how massive that is.
That's pretty big.
Yeah.
Was it like a city?
It's a district.
I don't know. I mean, it depends which city, right?
Yeah.
But, I mean, you know when you look at an acre, you're like, well, it's an acre right there. Well, then you have 25,000.
Just times that.
And then you walk up and you're like, that looks like 25,000 acres.
Right.
That's how that works. Look at this. Marcel tells us, work done, pizza ordered, and watching this.
Nice.
That's what makes him happy. Well,
That sounds great.
you might do something like that as well.
I definitely will.
Disney came under fire last month by many in the LGBTQ plus community, including some Disney employees, for initially failing to take a public stand against the Don't Say Gay measure, then condemned the legislation and said it would pause all its political donations in Florida. Well, I mean, Disney can't quite up and leave. Got a couple of rides and things there.
They're tied to that location.
Might be a little
Costly.
They're not like the local fair. Hey, they pack it up.
Yeah.
It's not like CNE.
They pack it up. They're like, yeah, we're going somewhere else.
Yeah.
No, not that easy. Must be so tough for them. Yeah, like they got two sides. One side is angry that you don't denounce the entire state where you exist.
Right.
The other side is angry with you if you agree to the terms of those looking for the denounce. And you're trying to have a theme park.
Yeah.
Or make a film. Or possibly cinema. Has Disney ever cracked into cinema that you're aware of? Could anything Disney's ever made be considered cinema?
I'm starting to lose the feeling of what cinema is. Just a good movie I like? That cinema?
No.
Okay. Then I don't know. Then I guess maybe they have, maybe they haven't.
Cinema is like film. It has to be at a film festival for one.
Okay. Yeah.
Like you can't.
Yeah.
Has to be.
You're right. That is that's mandatory.
Yeah.
That's required for it to be qualified as cinema.
That's right. Like, can you imagine when you were at film school if Lost and Found got accepted to a festival?
Oh, buddy. We were having a time that night.
You were having a time.
Yeah.
Will's
Okay.
Will's having a time right now.
Yeah.